So guys, we are looking for preserved fruit so that we can use that in our cake, but looks like it's not available here in this Loblaws. I think I should go to Indian store. I think we should take one almonds and cashews.
One packet is good.
Raisins मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगते. You want hazelnut?
No.
Choco chips?
Nope.
Hi, I would like to buy this one.
Would you want it wrapped in paper?
No. Hey everyone, how are you all doing? So it's just 2 days left for Christmas and we are going to set up our Christmas tree today. So this is going to be my second time celebrating Christmas in Canada. So I know it's gonna be super fun this year as well. So this is the only space where we can set up our Christmas tree. So it would be a bit difficult for us to move around in the kitchen area because just kitchen के बिल्कुल सामने है. So let's see how it goes and we are really excited for setting up our tree. So let's start the work. निकल नहीं रहा. Do you want me to hold?
सीधा है क्या?
हाँ, straight है.
I've been keeping my eyes on you all year.
This size is not looking bad at all. मुझे लगा था बहुत ज़्यादा area cover हो जाएगा, but this is looking fine.
हाँ.
Yeah, we have a lot of space to move around.
You've been taking notice, that much is clear.
Look at Harsh. Harsh, show us your face. Look at Harsh, guys. Show us your face. Come here. You're looking cute.
Merry Christmas, baby.
So guys, this year we didn't have to buy anything because we are using all the ornaments from last year. So we have everything. So this is Christmas tree skirt. So we are gonna use this in the end. This is yours.
Yep.
Okay, so we have all the ornaments. See, box full of ornaments. So guys, it's time to put the ornaments on the tree. Guys, it's a box full of happiness. Hey! So this is Christmas tree topper. It will go at the top. It's time for the tree topper. Here it goes. Is it okay?
Yep. Looks good.
Our tree's ready. Harsh, let's hit the lights. Yay! So now our home is ready for Christmas and New Year, and now it's looking even more pretty because of this Christmas tree. So yeah, pretty happy with our decoration. मज़ा आया, बहुत मेहनत लगती है, but in the end जब tree को ऐसे देखते हैं ना, बहुत सुंदर लगता है. So guys, since it's a Christmas week, I think it's really incomplete without a cake. That is why we are going to bake a cake now. So this is going to be our first time trying baking here. So we had asked this recipe from my father-in-law. So he really loves cooking and baking a lot. So it's a very simple vanilla cake recipe, and I really hope that it turns out well. So let's start baking.
Postcards out by the pool.
I don't want to mess up my dress, so okay, back to baking.
Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go. Where the weather.
Now Harsh is going to start the beating. So guys, today Harsh is the main chef and I am just a sous chef because वो मुझे guidance दे रहा है और मैं cake bake कर रही हूँ. And actually we forgot the recipe. We had to call our father-in-law back in India. So उन्होंने बताया 2-3 steps जो हम लोग भूल गए थे. It's getting thick. Is set to go into the oven. So we are setting up the timer for 35 minutes and let's wait for our cake. So now we have to wait for 30 minutes. So ever since we have shifted in this apartment, this is the first time we are using our oven. I hope cake अच्छा बने because I am really hungry. Stop eating. Harsh can't control himself.
ऊपर की कर तो निकाल दूं?
नहीं. ऊपर की क्रस्ट I don't know what happened, guys. थोड़ी hard हो गई है. So it's our first attempt of baking. So it's all good, but sugar की quantity is a bit high. So next time we'll have to take care of that. But it's not that bad. So guys, thank you so much for watching this Christmas vlog, and I really hope that you all have enjoyed this video. So now we're just going to enjoy our coffee and we'll finish Home Alone movie. So guys, that's it for today's video, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Be safe wherever you are, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next vlog. So till then, take care. Bye.
In the quiet evening.